My name is Brian Vansell. I'm the president of Laguna Clay Company. The wood that you see installed here at this table came out of a factory that we dismantled in Fremont, California. The building was built in 1906. This is redwood from that building. We took the building down in 1996, have stored the wood, and with the artistry and brilliance of Kirk Delman, a local wood craftsman here in Claremont, and T. Robert Pacini, they have put a beautiful conference table together for us that we use to bring all of our employees in for ideas, for seminars, for presentations. It's been a tremendous project, as well as for me just to see the transformation of a redwood water storage tank up on a hill from a 1906 factory put into production and use at Laguna Clay Company. Thank you for watching our YouTube videos. We hope you enjoyed them. Please feel free to subscribe so we can keep you abreast of what's happening in Laguna Clay Company. And as you'll see on the right, please scroll on to any of the videos that we have upstage for you so you can follow what we're doing. Thank you very much.